If you've been following our coverage, you'll know that the Exynos 2400-powered Galaxy S24 Plus and the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 powered Galaxy S24 Ultra have both appeared in online benchmark tests. Some rumors that have been circulating for some months have been substantiated by these Geekbench entries. However, there is a new advancement in the worldwide edition of the Galaxy S24 Ultra. According to Galaxy Club, the one planned for sale in Europe has also shown on Geekbench, with some fairly shocking results. On the one hand, this recent benchmark confirms that the European version of the Galaxy S24 Ultra will be powered on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. Even though the basic and plus versions in the same area will not have this exclusivity and will instead feature the Exynos 2400 chip. These benchmark scores, on the other hand, throw a wrench into the works. To everyone's astonishment, the European Galaxy S24 Ultra SMS 928B scored worse than both its American counterparts with the single Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip and the Galaxy S24 Plus with the Exynos 2400 chip. As seen in the image, the European Galaxy S24 Ultra equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip got 2059 points in single-core tests and 4506 points in multi-core tests. In comparison, the SMS 928U model, which utilizes the same chip, scored 2,234 and 6,807 points. In plain words, the European Galaxy S24 Ultra with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 performs the poorest in these tests. However, there is a crucial caveat: these results may not be an exact picture of the final product since they may be based on pre-release models or prototypes. It's probable that Samsung hasn't completely optimized the CPUs for its next flagship Galaxy S24 series. As a consequence, when the Galaxy S24 series is officially announced early next year, we should expect different benchmark results. In conclusion, although the present benchmark results are baffling and inconclusive, they do indicate that the Galaxy S24 Ultra will definitely feature the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor in every market, including Europe. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.